Hey guys, welcome to Creative Soft, and today I'm going to do the unboxing of the Dual Drive Luxe, the Dark Edition, and a speed test comparison. So most of y'all had been asking me which pen drive y'all should buy. I mean, that is the default comment which I get, and my answer is straightforward: get the Dual Drive Luxe. But as you guys know that the prices have really hiked in 2026, I would argue if you are getting a better deal on any pen drive, just grab it, because I think this is not a year to buy the best pen drives. And if you see the price, guys, it is almost like around 2000, but I got this last year for about 1250 rupees, so it was a great deal for that particular price. And if you want to buy this particular pen drive, check out the link in the description. I'll be linking the best deal which I have it on Amazon. And as you can see, this is the same dual drive pen drive which I'd been using for almost like more than 6 years, and I think this is one of the best pen drives. Only thing, now it comes with black edition. And also, if you like this kind of video, hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and please do not forget to press that bell notification icon. Also, you can follow me on social media at the rate creative soft. And mostly, guys, I would suggest you all to just get this from Amazon. You can check out the link in the description. And as you can see, this is one of the best pen drives in my opinion, especially the color. So I own the Space Gray MacBook Pro, and I think this is the pen drive to go with it. And also I have the golden one, and with that I have another gold pen drive. So I almost having like 5 or 6 pen drives, like almost the same dual drive Lux. And as you can see, it is very much durable. This won't just press and bent and all. Even I have my first pen drive which I got like multiple times. So I have these, the gold, the silver, and the black one, the dual drive, I guess it's called, not the Lux. And if you see over here, this is one of the best clicking mechanism. I personally like this. I would say a tribute to the original SanDisk Dual Drive Lux. And this is made in sometimes Malaysia, China, it doesn't matter, guy. Even if it made in Taiwan, just grab this if you are getting a very good deal on this, because if you see the speed test, it is quite fantastic. So I was getting almost 128 mbps as the right speed, but now I'm after using this particular pen drive for a year, the speed have decreased. Now I just wanted to test, because I just felt the speed is less. So I just wanted to test like what is the lowest speed I can get on this. And also mind you guys, this pen drive is almost having like 70 GB, and this is I guess around 128 GB. So if you see the total space, it is 115. And as you know that after formatting, the capacity decreases. If you have 128 GB, it won't 100% show 128 GB, and that is the case with every pen drive, guys. So please don't comment down saying that my pen drive is showing me less capacity and all. So pen drives depend. So even I have the both dual drive Lux. One is showing me 116, another is showing me 117, and this is showing me 115 sometimes. And if you see the read speed, I'm quite impressed even with this. But my silver color dual drive Lux, which I had bought like almost last year, is performing better. So it is almost having around 380 mbps, I guess. But then those are marginal, guys, and you cannot like nitpick, because 20 mbps is not a huge drop, I would say. But personally, this had been my favorite, because my golden pen drive, which had been using the golden dual drive Lux, it has started losing its color. I'll be posting a video also that. And seriously, SanDisk, if you are listening to me, or this particular video is shared to y'all, please note that y'all are losing the color. I mean, the dual drive Lux is losing the color, golden color. Okay, and it really doesn't look good. So that is one of the reason last year I purchased the matte black and this darker variant. So basically this is like a gunmetal color which I really like. And it if you have a space gray iPhone, or anything black iPhone, or a obsidian black pixel, and just want to for the looks and the I mean aesthetics, if you want to carry, I would definitely suggest this particular pen drive. And as you see over here, guys, so other pen drives are almost giving like 100 mbps, the dual drive Lux, but this one is having 61 mbps at the right speed. But given that this is my main pen drive and I have a lot of photos and videos, almost 70 GB is full, which is more than half. And I think that is one of the reason the speed decreases. Again, I'll format this particular pen drive before doing a test and all, and there are various other reasons also, guys, because I've been changing my computer and all. I hope you all enjoyed this video as much as we did while creating it. Please subscribe to my channel and please press a bell notification icon. Let me know in the comments below which pen drive you all are using or you all are thinking of upgrading to a dual drive Lux in 2026. And like always, guys, thanks a lot for watching this video and see you in my next video.